Dyson visual positioning 200-liter drum, fully automatic pallet filling machine. The machine used the camera to take the picture of the drum hole. The gripper can find the drum hole automatically and comes to unscrew the cap. Then the filling lens moves down and the filling starts. The filling length arises as the weight increases. After filling, the gripper comes to screw the cap and seal the drum. After that, the machine can automatically fill the other 3 drums one by one by using camera shooting and visual positioning. The filling capacity of this machine is about 7 minutes for one pallet and then around 30 to 35 drums per hour. The main frame and the structure of this machine is made of stainless steel 304. The moving of the horizontal and the vertical directions are driven by servo motors, as well as the filling length lifting. Other main electrical and pneumatic devices are world first-class brands, such as Schneider's, Siemens, Omron's, and etc. The PLC used for this machine is from Siemens. The machine is very endurable and easy to operate. Last but not least, the accuracy level of this filling machine is very high.